Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be going over a haul of new products I just received a little while ago anyway. So, as you probably seen in the title, these are some Juvia's Place products that I just purchased. A couple of the things are kind of new, and one of the things had came out a while back. So I'll go ahead and get started. I'll also go over this look that I did also. Don't mind my hanging wigs up there. So let's start with the haul. So these are some products again I got from Juvia's Place. I'll start with the palette. And before I forget to mention, this tutorial for this look will be linked below this video coming from TikTok. So this is the palette, the coffee shop palette. And not sure how many years ago this first came out, but this is a palette that's been out for a while. I wanted a palette with some nude neutrals. I was feeling the nudes. So in this look, I decided to attempt something that probably has been done before, but I'm going to say that it's one of the first times that I've attempted this, and I'm calling it a reverse halo because instead of the halo starting with the light and going into dark on the outer corners, I started with the dark and went light on the outer corners. So for this eye makeup, I used the shadows. Let's see, I started with this color. They don't have any names. So I started with that dark brown in the middle, and then I slightly blended out with these two browns, this reddish brown and then this more neutral brown. And then on the outer corners I use this cream color. And just pretty much blended until I got that kind of look, that effect. And so this is part of the haul, and also they recently came out with these Nubian shadow sticks. So it's crazy because I ordered I ordered 5 of them, but I only got 4. So I'm still trying to hear back from them about the one I'm missing. The one I'm missing is the darkest one. I can't remember the name of it, but I got in my order that I received, I got 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. And so in this look, I used one of the shimmers in Casablanca, and it's a champagne shimmer color. And I also got Carlotta, and this is more of a rose gold shimmer. And then for the mattes, like I said, I'm missing the darkest matte, but I got Morocco, and I also got Nile. And So I'll probably try to do like a quick look with those. And then they recently came out with the blush cream blushes. I got 2 of them in the haul. I got Pink Passion and Terracotta. I used Terracotta in the look. It looks like that. And I hope this isn't the color isn't washed out, because I got my window open too. And I have my fan going if you hear that. So this is Pink Passion. Very cute pigmented colors. And I also got a bronzer, or the powder bronzers. Now these have been out for a while. I got this one in the dark one. So I just kind of used this one to kind of just warm up my face, the outer perimeter of my face. You can't really see it much, but I didn't get the darkest one because I didn't want it to look muddy. So for the highlight in this look, I used my Becca Opal. This was a staple in a lot of people's collection some years back when this one came out. So I got a little travel size of it. It's real pretty. And did I say, let me see, I might have said it, but for that shadow stick, I used the Casablanca in the inner corners. I don't know if I said that before. So for the lashes, I'm using Butterfly Effects by Desi in the style Girl Code. Did a haul for her products not too long ago. Then for the lips, I'm using a Glam Light lip kit. This one came with the liner and the gloss, and this one's in Cinnamon Swirl. And the gloss does smell like cinnamon. So this is the pencil it came with, lip liner. And this is the gloss. So the gloss is kind of it's kind of got a nude pinky color, but it just looks nude on me. But it's kind of pinkish in person. For my jewelry, I got the earrings and the bracelet from a vendor when I went out of town to St. Louis. I'll try to tag her below this video. I'll tag her Instagram. But yeah, thought this was real pretty to go with the Juvias Place reverse halo. So if you want to see the rest of, what I use for my face and everything, I have that in the tutorial. I didn't want to keep this too long, but let me make sure I got everything from the haul. But yeah, that was pretty much it. I hope you like this look. I'm gonna try this technique again in a more colorful look. So some more colorful eyeshadow. So stay tuned for that. I hope you like this look, and I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching.